How to fix can take a screenshot due to security policy on WhatsApp. Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix can take a screenshot due to security policy on WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp app on your device. With the latest update of WhatsApp, they have added a new security policy while taking a screenshot. So when you open any one of the profile picture fully, you won't be able to take a screenshot. So let's see. By tapping on any one of the profile here, and once you open this profile and try to take a screenshot, you are unable to take a screenshot due to the privacy policies of WhatsApp. So simply how to fix this issue is simply you need to open the profile picture but don't open it fully and take a screenshot from here only. And then you will be able to take a screenshot in this way. Now go to the gallery where your screenshot has been saved. Now from here with the help of the editing tools you can easily crop the picture from here in this way. And after you have taken the screenshot or crop this image, you can tap on the check mark icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and save this picture. So when you see that it doesn't look like taking a screenshot from any one of the profile pictures. So in this way you can easily fix can take a screenshot due to security policy on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.